This train and bound for glory. This train and bound for glory.
Hey there, my name is David Mays, your host for this edition of Along the Model Railroad Line, a program where we talk about the fun that you can have playing with trains. And I play with trains. Okay. Little thing I'll be talking about today, maybe not sort of a thing you can do on the side as part of the hobby. Like a lot of people, I got, you know, types of train decorations, memorabilia, things like that. I mean, you can look back here behind the workbench, got some artwork, got the lithograph there of a locomotive called the Flying Scotsman, a 462 Pacific type engine, run in England. I actually found out about that engine, got a chance to see it when I was on tour in the U.S. years ago. And up here, got another, I'll take that down. I'm sure you can see that, but it's actually some sort of an etching of the same engine, again, the Flying Scotsman. Got this little printout I did of my emblem that I use for this channel. And if you look over here, I got the display case with some other equipment, some freight cars, passenger cars, basically offered by some of the model train magazines over the years. And what I was going to show off today is this little item. What you got here is a set of instructions for a Craftsman kit. Here, so you can hold it up closer, maybe you can see it. There you go. The plans for the kit that this caboose here was originally built from. This is a model of a Nashville, Chattanooga, and St. Louis caboose. The prototype was originally built in 1916. Could possibly be one of the first steel frame cabooses built in the U.S. Apparently, Nashville, Chattanooga, St. Louis originally had these cabooses built because they wanted some cabooses with a stronger frame that we used on coal trains that were being pushed by helper engines. The idea being that a lot of times, if a railroad needed to have like I said, have a helper engine pushing on the back of the train, they would actually uncouple the caboose, then couple on the engine, and then somehow couple the caboose back on the back of the engine, and then head on up the hill. Well, some other roads, kind of to speed things up, wanted to just tack on the engine onto the back of the caboose and just go. And the idea being is, by having these, steel frame cabooses, you're less likely to crush the caboose while, engine was pushed against it. Yeah, and the kit itself, like I said, I really bought this at a train show years ago. It was half completed. The woman I bought it from, I remember her telling me that apparently it had been partially assembled by her husband while he was in the Navy serving on an aircraft carrier. So this caboose has been around. But I went ahead, built it, painted it up, still need to put some lettering on it. And when I was done, of course, I had these nice plans left over. And, being a little bit of a pack rat, I didn't want to just throw them away. And the idea occurred to me, hey, find a picture frame and mount on the frame, put them on the wall. Because you actually got some, nice drawings there. I mean, it's almost some artwork there. And the idea, of course, is maybe if you're building some kind of a kit, especially again a Craftsman kit, where either freight car, passenger car, some kind of structure, and you get done with it, you still got the plans. Well, look at the plans. Maybe you can mount them in some sort of picture frame just as they are. Maybe you can cut some pieces out of it and make some sort of collage out of it. The idea being, you got something there, you probably, like I said, make some kind of sort of artwork from it. And my thinking, I got this here kind of honoring the heritage of the hobby, honoring the person who originally got this from, things like that. And like I said, I just think that, I think it just looks nice. Normally this hangs on the wall in the train room. I got in here now, I'll show it to you. Okay. Anyway, like I said, just want to show it off an idea. Next, you got an empty spot on the wall above the train layout. Like I said, maybe if it's gotten through putting some kind of kit together, kind of look at the plans. Maybe you can do something with them as they turn them into a work of art. And with that, again, thank you for watching. I've been getting some good feedback on the program, which is of course encouraging. And of course, the routine: like, subscribe, leave comments, whatever. If you got any ideas, hey, tell me about it. Got something good going. So, okay, with that, well, tune back soon, and we'll take another trip along the Model Railroad line. In the meantime, you all have a good day. We'll talk soon. Bye.
This train is bound for glory, won't ride nothing but the righteous and the